Hello guys, so here. Welcome back to another video. And this video I will be doing on Saturday's quests. Now we will start off here for our bonus chest. So axe, this. Okay, that might be enough. I'm just going to use these all over my inventory. There we go. So yeah, I will be doing more uploads this week because I'm really busy this week. So I don't have a blacksmith here. Various structures are let's see, nothing around here. Wow, those gardens are pretty bad. Only, yeah, and on this NPC village, there's always that. Always that. And I'll be right back in 1 second. Okay, we're back, and yeah, the villager died, and no blacksmiths around. I'm gonna head over here. Let me just get this. Oh, I forgot. There we go, I have 20. So I might start living in this village here. I'm going to check around for some trades. The best one is 20 emerald and 19. Now I render for 10 emeralds. Not worth it. An emerald for 15 raw. Oh my god, raw pork chops. I think it is. And a little fish. Cooked. No. I feel so bad for him. I hate these. Ooh. You stay right there. You stay there. I'm gonna come back to you. You have the best trade. What are you doing? Get off the seeds. You need them. So you could grow bread. And not just going and standing on them. And yes, so here we go, 14, 15, wait, how many did he say? Damn it. Yeah, he said 20, I think. Okay, I need 3 more until I have my first, precious stuff, right, you call it. Okay, I have 23. I know he wanted 20, but I'm just collecting these all because I might craft some bread. And I'm starting off in a really weird way. None of you might never start off with this way. Here we go. 64, then here. Thanks all your support for my channel. I hope we get up to, if we get up to about 10 likes in this video, I will upload another one next Saturday or Friday. Now here, leave in the comment section below if you want to join me. I don't care, because just enter in my gamer tag. I'll not tell you because, well, yeah. Some people don't show their gamer tags, so I didn't really want to. Here's our villager with his broken house. His underground secret. You're not gonna. Now I have 10. Okay, yes. Got the first one. And now he has healing powers. And he's going over to his lol friend. Then I trade you for 12 hours. I hate you. Oh. Oh, this is just like stuck in my freezing neck. What the hell? We shall justificate. Which one's the boss? You're you. Me. I'm the purple one. Okay, then you give the speech. We will get out of here. That's it. Everybody get out of here. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Trials. Never mind. Okay, let's just kill this guy over here. Let's just kill him. I'll beat you up. Get your butt kicked. There we go. And the last hit. Hello, mister. Can I kill you, please? Guys, next week I will be doing PvZ Garden Warfare. And, here's a, okay, I'll give you a sneak peek. Okay, I'll just tell you. I am going to do Call of Duty. But not yet, so just yet. Get him! How many lives does he have? Oh, good. Oh, we need a crafting table. Do I have a crafting table? No, I don't have a crafting table. Now here's my first set of armor. Because I always do that. I'm going to just go to here. I have a hard life living here with my brother. Ooh, 6 months. Nice. None of yours dumb. You're weird. And if you check out my brother, oh gosh, I said it. If you check out Crazy Rob's channel, that'll be a good pleasure. Yeah, so oh gosh, I'm scared. Wait, let me just craft tools. I will be building in the next video, not in this video just yet. There we go. I didn't need to craft one, but oh well. And oh god damn it. Oh, I didn't need to craft one. Well, I kind of did. Okay, let's just kill these cows so we can get more armor. Okay, we got 2. Oh, this world's so good. Didn't even find a monster yet. No creepers around. Oh, I better get a shelter because it's very dark. Good that. That's a good head was poking out. The cat's running from me. Not for long, cow, because it looks like today you're gonna die. Cow, can I do something? Thank you. Maybe I should mine this because I see iron. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm starting off in a really good way. So yeah, let's just mine that. Oh, damn it. Let's just put in inventory. Let me get. Oh, damn it. And so let me dump all this. Wait, I think I need, yeah, I'll do this set first, and then I'll do the second set. Okay, no monsters around. Okay, be back when I get over to the village. Okay, we're back at the village, and it is going on for a long time. Yeah, so I might end the video here in a few seconds. Let's go here. Okay. Okay, good, I have 14. Okay, this is the end of the video here. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you like that button, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember to watch Crazy Rob's channel. Thanks for the support and everything. I'll see you all later. Goodbye.